Hey guys, this is Bill McSherry, Vice President, Government Operations for Boeing Commercial Airplanes. Congratulations on being selected for Washington's STEM Signing Day. It's a great recognition of the years of work, dedication you've put into your studies, and your commitment to pursue a STEM education and STEM career. We've partnered with Washington STEM for 3 years now to celebrate students just like you who are working hard to pursue their dreams in STEM fields. The world needs people in STEM careers more than ever. So we're excited for you to take the next step in your STEM journey. You will be the leaders and problem solvers of the future. As you move into college and on to your next steps, have fun, stay focused. Can't wait to see how far you'll go. Congratulations again.